Hi ServiceNow folks, what's up? I welcome you to this Google Assistant integration video tutorial.
Drift away.
So let's start with my introduction. Can you see that guy in the middle wearing a denim t-shirt? Yeah, that's me. I'm Dhruv Gupta and I'm currently working as a ServiceNow developer at Tata Consultancy Services. My role majorly includes orchestration, integration, and automation related stuffs. Yeah, these words sounds quite heavy, but they are true. Basically, I'm a PowerShell guy, ex-certified ethical hacker, and so on. So, what you can make out of it that I have a strong programming background. Okay, let's move forward. Enough marketing. Thumb rule for integration. I have learned integration by watching live coding happy hours by Josh, Dave, Chuck, and Andrew. One thing that I could make out of those videos, which I usually say as a thumb rule, that never ever go directly for searching how to integrate XYZ with ServiceNow. No, it's a no thing. What I recommend, just go and explore the tool that you are going to integrate. By exploring, I mean read its API docs, what kind of data it wants, what kind of data it shares, what is the authentication procedure. Once you are aware of these, then ServiceNow is a very cool tool because it will handle all the configurations. You just need 15 minutes to do that configuration. Rest of the time that it will take would be in developing the business logic. Okay, enough talking. Let's go to Dialogflow. Let's see this. This is my personal dev instance. This is my LinkedIn profile. Forget about this. By the way, you can reach out my profile anytime, any day. I would be there to help you. Lots of marketing. You need to do this stuff. Okay, just click on go to console. Sign in with Google. By the way, if you have that non-Google Dialogflow account, you can log in with that as well. Lots of fun, right? Allow. We never read these terms of services. Hooray, we are over here. First thing, that let's create one agent. Agent is like your service desk guy or girl. Assume his to be, let's say, Dhruv or better test slow. Let's create this one. Uh-oh, cannot contain white spaces. Okay, no problem. Working. So our test now is ready. First thing that we need to just enable this plugin. It's quite helpful. I'll show you in a moment. By the way, this sitting icon is for training. So, okay, fine. What Smalltalk will do, it will handle all the small talks. Like good morning. I haven't done any coding or anything, but it can handle. Let me just check if it is. Yeah, it's working. So this is the best thing that I love about Dialogflow and Google Intent thing, that it provide you with a small talk plugin and you just enable it and it will work. It will work like a charm. And if you want to go inside, you can also create your default answers, say or something like that, bye bye, good morning, you can reply. That's another thing. Next thing that we should notice that it are intents and the entities. We are here with two default intents. First, let me tell you what are intents and entities. Intent is like a class that has its method defined in it. An entity is an object calling that class. Let me give you a very brief example. Suppose you get a call from a user. He says that I want permission on this. Okay, I want permission. I want permission will be an intent. Your services agent will get to notice that the user is asking for some permission. His intent is seeking permission. And entity would be on what th thing he is asking for permission. It's SAP or Salesforce or whatever. So he's asking, say, SAP permission. So the combination of intent and entity is very important. I'll post some links in the video description. You can watch them. They are the videos by Google Cloud developers. They will help you in understanding what intent is and how you can utilize it. So for the time being, we would be creating one intent. Say name it as status underscore check. Say, okay, we would be using it to demonstrate the statuses that regarding the demo video I showed you in demo video. So first thing is context. Context is useful in defining the flow. What intent should be called after this, or what intent should result in the calling of this intent. We are focusing on training phrases. Let's just add some training phrases. Say use these are the user expression that user would be saying, please check the status of incident number 006. So if you just check this one, it automatically detect what kind of value is this. It's taking it as a phone number, but we would be updating it. It should be system dot number. Okay, just add one more training phrase. Check the incident state of 789. So it automatically detects. What we can do as per our business logic, we can make this incident thing as an entity as well. I mean, there would be one intent that would be status check. It could be a status of problem or incident. Let's just create one and cancel. Let's just save this. Okay, that's training. We'll just give it a check. Okay, just say please check the state. Oops, I think we haven't saved it. Content saved. Have not been trained. Okay. The variant is completed. Let's give it one more try. Please check check the state of incident number 005. Default was only on default one to check. Okay, please check. These are small things that usually happens. Okay, finally it's able to get the intent. The problem was that I have inserted status here and I was typing state. So if I have this one, please check the state of incident number. Okay, if I save this, and this is quite annoying, but it's quite funny as well. Agent training is started. We are just waiting for it to complete. Now if we type, please check the state of, it should, yeah, fine. Okay, intents entities are done. So now the integration with part. Okay, we are just showing you this how to integrate this one. When you go down, this one fulfillment tab, it is for, if you enable this two things, what now will happen, whenever the Dialogflow, when you type something, it will automatically look for the responses here. But if these two tabs are open, it will start uh, look to connect with webhook thing. Okay, let it be. Let's go to fulfillment tab. Let's configure this one. Okay, before that, I think we should create one scripted REST API, new one. I don't know why it's working so slow. Forget it. Save desire. Let's name it as Dialogflow only. Pages. Let's save. Let's create new resources over here. Name it as post. Method to be post. We are not coding anything over here for the moment. We'll code, but let's just check whether we are having the correct thing or not. URL should be Control C. There are various methods for authentication. I'm just using the simpler one. I'm just using the other Dialogflow to connect to my scripted REST message. Oops. Here I have to provide with my credentials, if I remember them correctly. And in header we should have one thing, content type, its value to be application / JSON. Okay, there should be a save button over here. It's done. Okay. Let's go to status. Okay, fine, the connection is perfect. That's what we require. Let's just go here, the scripted REST API. Let's just start coding here. First thing we need to understand the kind of response that request that we are getting is. Just have a look at this. We could find any display name. Okay, it's under. Okay, fine. Let's just start coding. The lovely part. For the sake of business, I'll be just copying, pasting that code which I showed in them. I'll explain that code to you. Firstly, we'll define some parameters that I might require. This is result query intent display name. It's a status check thing. Then it's fine, just querying the things and checking if it's there or not. This is important, the response body thing. This payload and fulfillment checks you can get from the docs itself. Here it is, the payload and the docs. You can easily get that. I'm getting some. Let's just respond to them. People are waiting for this. It's not sending. Talk to you later. It's just. Oops, sorry. Come. How I close that stuff. Okay, just give it a save button and just give it a try. Voila, we are getting that. I'll just tell you how the things are looking. This was the request that was passed, this was the response that came. We actually stored all the things in the message variable over here, so you can just have a look at the code if you're trying to type, or if you want I can send you that code as well. What else? Yes, what else? In this Dialogflow thing you can just create your own intents and all this stuff. It depends. I can show you only that status thing due to some GDPR restrictions, but you can create on your priority basis, caller basis, everything. What I have done, I can tell you that we first verify the caller's identity, and if he asks for the approvals, we provide him with a list, and the thing that he said that please approve this or this, we'll just approve that. I wish I could show you that, but never mind, the things are not yet done. We have connected Dialogflow and the ServiceNow, but the Google integration is still left. So let's just try this as well. Intent status check. Fine, let's give it a test. Continue. I'm getting lots of message. Oops, this error you will face. Just see this. The count should be same one. Just give it another try. Need to create an action over here. Accept this. Action is invoked. Let's just do that. So just so can just put it this over here. So never mind. Just save this stuff. What's the directory title? Should be almost similar to that one. Could not reserve to server. That's what I was trying to do that. Just save this one. Okay, I just understand. Only that is the complete Google Assistant integration. You can explore it, and I'm always available on LinkedIn, and you can connect me whenever you want. Oh, it is a slide for this one, is it? Ah, this one is on, this one is on, this one is on. Any questions for me? Oh, well, you can post it on the comment section of this. We'll look to get your responses. It's my first tutorial, so thank you very much.